Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
To control the clarity, brightness, and contrast of a selected picture, click the Picture category icon within the Format Picture task pane to display the Picture Corrections, Picture Color, and Crop category groupings. You can click the Picture Corrections category grouping to expand it if needed and apply custom image correction settings to a selected image. In the Sharpen Soften section, you can use the Presets drop-down to select a desired picture clarity. You can also use the Adjacent slider to set the sharpness, or simply enter a percentage into the adjacent spinner box. In the Brightness and Contrast section, you can use the Presets drop-down to select a desired brightness and contrast for a selected photo. You can also use the Brightness and Contrast sliders to set the amount of brightness and contrast for the selected image, or enter a percentage into the adjacent spinner boxes. If needed, you can click the Reset button to reset changes made to the selected picture. You can click the Picture Color category grouping to expand it if needed and apply custom image color settings to a selected image. You can select a preset color saturation from the Presets drop-down. You can also select a desired color saturation percentage by using the Adjacent slider or by directly entering a value into the Saturation spinner box. In the Color Tone section, you can select a preset color tone to apply from the Presets drop-down. You can also select a temperature value using the Adjacent slider or by entering a value into the Temperature spinner box. In the Recolor section, you can use the Presets drop-down to select a color to apply to the image. If needed, you can click the Reset button to reset changes made to the selected picture. You can click the Crop category grouping to expand it if needed and apply custom cropping settings to a selected image. Under the Picture Position section, you can enter the width and height measured in inches into the spinner boxes of the same names. The image will grow or shrink within the bounds of the original picture size. The edges or border of the picture will not change. You can also input the amount in inches to offset the image by typing those values into the Offset X and Offset Y spinner boxes. The image will move in the direction you set within the original picture size. Again, the border or edges of the picture will not change. Under the Crop Position section, enter the cropping measurements by entering values into the width, height, left, and top spinner boxes. This section will shrink, expand, or move the outside edges of the picture depending on the values you enter into the spinner boxes or the spinner buttons that you use. The Width spinner box will expand or shrink the right edge of the selected image. The Height spinner box will expand or shrink the bottom edge of the selected image. The Left spinner box will slide the whole picture border left or right, not just the left edge. The Top spinner box will expand or shrink the top edge of the selected image.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.